Dear children, let's begin the reading of new chapter, chapter 9, The Owl Boy. This is the tale of a tribe which belongs to America. Let's see some of the tribes of America. Let's know about them and do this warm-up exercise before we begin the reading of the chapter. Here are the people of Cheyenne. This is the tribe of North American Plains. And these are the people of Apache. And they celebrate their occasions in such colorful dresses. And this is the flag of Omaha tribe of Midwestern Native America, and they belong to Nebraska, Iowa. And these are the people of Quechua tribe. They belong to South American tribes from Bolivia. Dear children, let's do this warm-up exercise. Here are the names of the tribes, and here we have to write the place they are from. So let's do this exercise. First tribe is Cheyenne. 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 This tribe belongs to North American Plains. So we will write here North America. This tribe belongs to North America. NorthAmerica. North America. Next tribe is Apache. 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 And this tribe belongs to southwestern United States. Let's write South, S-O-U-T-H, South, Western, W-E-S-T-E-R-N, Western, United States, U-N-I-T-E-D, United States, S-T-A-T-E-S, States. Next tribe is Omaha. This tribe belongs to Midwestern Native American tribe, and the place where it belongs to is Nebraska, Iowa. Nebraska, Nebraska, Iowa. L-O-W-A, Iowa. And next tribe is Quechua. Q-U-E-C-H-U-A, Quechua. And this tribe belongs to Bolivia. This is a South American tribe, and this belongs to the place Bolivia. B-O-L-I-V-I-A, Bolivia. So children, do this exercise in your book and enjoy learning. Bye-bye.